everybody, to get my look started off, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to pat that on all over my eyelids with my fingertips. And then I'm just going to set that concealer with my favorite translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier. Getting into the eyes, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to work this shade onto my transition color. And then picking up on the color Rustic, I'm going to use this on the outer V of my eye. Picking up on Cypress Umber, I'm using that to deepen up my outer V, and I'm just going to drag it slightly up into the crease a little bit. With a little blending brush, I'm bringing those dark colors and blending them up into the crease. Back with my NARS concealer again, I'm just going to cut my crease and create the shape that I want for the gold shadow to be applied. And just to give more dimension around that concealer, I'm going in with the color Noir to really just emphasize that edge. Switching to the Master Palette by Mario, I'm picking up on 5th Ave. I'm just going to spritz my brush to get more opaqueness of the shadow, and I'm going to dab that onto the eyelid all over where the concealer was placed. And to top everything off, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner, and I feel like this really just makes the whole eye look. This is like what completed everything. Going in with my AMC Black Gel Liner by Inglot, I'm going to do my wing liner. This stuff is really super durable, it's water resistant, it's ultra long wear, and it's like actually hard to get off sometimes, but that's like what makes it one of my favorites because I rub my eyes a lot and this stuff does not move. Moving on, I'm priming my face with the MAC Prime and Prep in Radiant Pink. And I'm using this primer because I am going to match that with this MAC Pro Longwear Foundation. This is a full coverage matte foundation with up to a 15-hour wear time. This is a LA Girl contour stick, and I love how easy they are to use and how easily they blend. And then just using my Tarte Shape Tape to highlight and conceal. So now I want to set that creamy contour, and I'm going to use a powder bronzer by Benefit called Hoola. And then to set that highlight color, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC25. And then for blush, I'm using the Gorgeous Cosmetics blush palette that I got from the Pro Fiction store at MMA. To finish off my eye look, I'm going to go back in with my Pat McGrath Graphic Eyeliner pen and go in with it on my waterline. And then picking up on the color Mulberry, I'm smudging this underneath my lash line. And lastly, I'm using the Dove Cosmetics Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Beirut. I just recently found out that they're no longer in business anymore. I was so sad to find out about it because I've never had a liquid matte lipstick that stays so unbelievably good on your lips. And then I'm just going to top everything off with my favorite Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. So here is the final Bollywood-inspired glam look. I'm Taylor with the Multimedia Makeup Academy. Thank you guys again for watching.